Watch number 662, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Hazards 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. Following impacts are expected.
As told.
Finally, you told me this. Let's go.
Northwestern Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Durant to 6 miles northeast of St. Paul per hour gusts. This is radar indicating tonight includes 6 miles per hour gusts. Expect this is radar indicating flat trees. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near today around 7:10 p.m. Today around 7:15 p.m. Other locations of hazardous severe thunderstorms include Montana, Green, Chimney Rock, Mondovi Airfield, and the Big Swamp area. Alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Police warn tornadoes blowing once into the basement of small central road and extreme thunderstorms. For your protection, during a period of water once into the basement of a small central road, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. Tornadoes and municipal physical damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Oh, I think this is a different one.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Triple header.
For more The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Buffalo County, northwestern Trempealeau County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were repeated along the line extending from Durant to 6 miles northeast of Buffalo City, northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts.
No, so that was a triple header. So no KJ 81 off for a separate SPR.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Leroy, or 16 miles southwest of Preston, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wyckoff around 7:35 p.m. Fountain around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Forest Hill State Park, Etna, Carramona, Wayland, Pilot Mound, Cherry Grove, and Old Barn Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Fillmore and Malware. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK-41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin listening area. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect at 7:45 p.m. Thursday for Buffalo County. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Thursday for Fillmore and Malware counties. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 8:15 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lime Springs, or 7 miles northwest of Cresco, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. 7:50 p.m. Preston around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Granger, Henrytown, Amherst, Bristol, Bonaire, Hutton, and County Roads at 23 and V58. For your interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Fillmore, Minnesota, and the following counties in Iowa: Howard and Winneshiek.
Why is this not going off? Okay, I want to know why this is not going off. Have it on all counties. I have alert on. I have it on volume 16. Why is weekly disabled? Why is monthly disabled? I think I know why it's not going off. No, it's not special. No, it's enabled. So I don't know why it's not going off. Oh well.
County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cresco, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mabel around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Vernon Springs County Park, Vernon Springs, Hesper, Highlandville, Bluffton, and Locust. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Fillmore, Minnesota, and the following counties in Iowa: Chickasaw, Howard, and Winneshiek.
Called this one.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 662 has been canceled for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota.
Dang it.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 662 has been canceled for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 664, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Houston, Minnesota. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a flash flood warning for central Winona County in southeastern Minnesota until 11:15 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimates and reports from emergency management indicate between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement and requests they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following county: Winona, Minnesota.
My camera went blurry. The water.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Alamance County in northeastern Iowa, northeastern Winneshiek County in northeastern Iowa, western Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 8:45 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Spring Grove to 6 miles southeast of Mabel, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Spring Grove around 8:25 p.m. Caledonia and Houston around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Choice, Perkins, Highlandville, Quandale, Bristolford, and County Pine and Caton Road. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Alamance and Winneshiek, and the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore and Houston. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin listening area.
Fuck. That came undone. I don't know what's with these 100s. I don't know what's with these 100s. They're not going off. This is a V3, hasn't been going off. The other V3's been going off fine, but this V4's been going off too. The thing is, these two haven't gone off at all for the past few days. I don't think they even went off for the weekly either. Last week, last Three Brother compilation on Tuesday, these didn't even go off. What's going on with these? These radios are picky when it comes to activation, I swear.
At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Caledonia to 6 miles southeast of Spring Grove, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Caledonia around 8:45 p.m.
Forgot about you.
9 p.m. Brownsville around 9:05 p.m. New Albany around 9:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Dunrummon Park Campground, Hudson, Beaver Creek Valley State Park, and Reno. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Houston, Minnesota. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. this evening for central Winona County. At 8:35 p.m., emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been... Mostly cloudy with a temperature of...
What the fuck? So as I was saying before, my mom decided to fuck up my video by saying, "Oh, be quiet, be quiet." Like, bitch, I'm trying to film. God damn. So, I was going upstairs and I heard this ER50 going, "Neum, neum, neum, neum." And I actually thought that KJY80 was going off. So I immediately, stopped watching my miles per hour, right? The guy that makes car videos, right? And I immediately just, started running up the stairs just because I thought KJ80 went off. And then I pressed the button. It didn't go off. It was just a thing ghost activating. Alright. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Want to give a good shout out to one of my best friends. Her name is Emily. Shout out to you. It's her birthday, so I thought I would just shout her out in this video because why not? I mean, I just started talking to her this summer and it's going to be a great year with you. So, with that out of the way, thank you all for watching this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, watch my other videos, and peace out.